I want to make another a starting point. When which I do it with my students very often, right? I ask them to imagine for a second that maybe there are aliens in outer space and they have very good cameras, right? And they look down on Earth, they watch us. And what would they see?
And how do such lives become visible and audible under such conditions? How can bodies be recognized when they do not fit the social norm of what bodies should be?
És impossible dir que podem descriure la realitat en tota la seva complexitat.
Is that we need to be much more discriminating and demanding about the kinds of technologies we want and the values and purposes they might serve.
Our ability to see the world as wonderful is diminished because we get used to how things are. And that the habit becomes like a coating on our eyes, which dulls our vision.
I read something that Melville said, advice to younger writers, and I believe it. He said, "Woe to him who seeks to please rather than appall." Well, it's no secret that I aim in my books to appall.